Hey, founder, let's get real for a minute. You're not stuck because you're lazy. Listen, you're stuck because you're unclear. And I promise you, clarity changes everything. Listen, if you've been grinding for months or even years and you still feel like you're spinning your wheels, it's not because you don't have what it takes. It's because nobody showed you how to build with structure. And if nobody's ever told you this thing that I'm about to tell you before, I want you to hear this from me today. Hustle without clarity leads to burnout. Effort without structure leads to second guessing. And drive without direction, that's a fast track to frustration. So I want to tell you about Alex. You probably heard me talk about Alex before. Right before we met, he was a service-based founder. He still is. And right at that moment, right before he reached out to me, he was about 18 months in, wife, young kid, team of three, left his corporate left his corporate job to build something of his own. His dream, freedom. The reality, he was exhausted. He was up till 6 on his laptop at 10 p.m. Revenue was inconsistent. His ideas were good, but his results were flat. So when he came to me, he said this. He said, Brian, I feel like I'm doing everything, but none of it's working. Does this sound familiar? So I asked him just this one question. If everything feels urgent, how do you know what's important? And that's when it clicked. He didn't need more hustle. He needed clarity. And so we worked on that, and that's what he got. And he got clarity. It all started with just this one simple tool, which became the driven assessment. And it showed him exactly what part of him as the founder was out of alignment, not his marketing, not his offers, him. Because here's the truth that nobody tells you. When you as a founder, when you're scattered, so is your business. Clarity isn't optional. It's your next move. So let me walk you through what most founders miss and why you're still stuck. Number one, you don't have a growth filter. You're saying yes way too much. Every idea sounds good. Every problem feels urgent. So you bounce from strategy to strategy like a pinball. The driven assessment stops that by helping you spot your weakest pillar. Is it discipline? Vision? Is it resilience? Once you know what's off, guess what? You can fix it. Number two, you're building in isolation. So let me tell you, clarity is a team sport. You need feedback. You need mirrors. You need people around you who get it. That's why I built the DRIVENpreneur community. I've been there before where I was building in isolation and it didn't work so well for me. It's not the same, like the DRIVENpreneur community, it's not a content dump. It's a place where founders work on themselves so that they can finally lead clearly. And number three, you're chasing tactics instead of structure. Funnels, ads, hashtags, offers, those are great. But if the person running those things is exhausted and unfocused, none of that matters. None of that sticks. You need a roadmap built for you as the founder, not just your business. That's what we do inside DRIVENpreneur. Here's what I need you to hear today, loud and clear. You're not behind. You're not broken. You just need a clear place to focus. When you take the driven assessment, you'll immediately see where your stuckness is rooted. And then we help you build from that root, pillar by pillar, inside the driven community. No more guessing, no more burnout, no more second guessing every decision you make. Just focus growth in a space where you don't have to explain yourself because everyone in the room is building something that matters, just like you. So here's your one step today. So right below this, I have some links for you. And in that link, you can go check out the DRIVENpreneur membership community. If you decide to join that community, that's where you get the driven assessment. And that will show you the pillar. If you're not ready for that yet, got some other links down there. I have a free guide for you. 7 costly mistakes that we as entrepreneurs make, which drains us of our time, drains us of our money and our energy. So that's there for you too. And also, if you want to just have a conversation with me about where you are in your business, there's a link for you to click and just click that link. Just fill out this short. It's really short, just a few things so I can know a little bit about you before we hop on a call so that we could be more productive on our call, do that, and we'll get some time on the calendar to talk for about 30, 45 minutes, maybe even longer. So if you're ready to finally get clarity, structure, and strategic support, I really want to see you inside the Drivenpreneur community. And again, I'll have a conversation with you if you want to find out some more about it. We've got founders in there right now rebuilding their confidence. They're getting Saturdays back and scaling without burnout. Don't keep guessing. Don't keep grinding in circles. Let's get you clear. Let's get you moving. Until next time, stay clear, stay focused, stay driven.